guys, another day. We are, it's like midnight. Midnight is midday, but we are on the way to get Om Sai's haircut with our cousins. This is Manish Thai. Om Sai's getting his haircut. Show the inspiration is. What are we going for?
Well, this is what you're showing, but I don't know if it's going to come back. He had one look at it though.
Let's see the before. Hello. This is what he looks like right now. We just dropped Om Sai off.
We're walking to the cafe now. It was staring at us. I'm so scared.
Why?
I don't know. I just find it so uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Like, then I know they're not gonna like jump me or anything, but I just feel so uncomfortable. It's not like we're throwing, like, you know.
And also, I feel like we are them. Like, we are Nepalis. Like, I don't know.
It's not like we're very, like, you know, very out there and stuff. We're literally in the most casual outfit.
Yeah. But I think maybe for me, like, showing skin.
So, like, everyone has shoulders. Like, it's so weird. Oh my god, is it closed?
Oh, it's closed.
Saturday morning, okay? भनेको हैन.
Head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than
Yes, we like went to so many different cafes just now. None of them are open because it's Saturday. Cafes and stores. So we ended up at DMs. Trusted DMs. Oh my god. No.
It's so sweet.
Oh my god, that's not good. Om Sai's haircut. Look how good he looks. Pew, 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 pew.
What's up?
Okay, Om Sai got drink plate. Show them what it looks like.
It's great.
Is it good?
It's got jelly in it.
Minnie said it's good. Is it good, Minnie?
Yeah, it just tastes like grape.
Minnie did not like hers.
So sweet.
We're gonna
So I had
show.
it.
Not composite, so good.
We're gonna show mom and dad Om Sai's hair. See their reaction.
That's on the balcony.
Mom.
Morning.
Come out.
Say go. Om Sai. Dad, what was I calling that? Mommy, I was like, of course you're right to the barber lip.
When you were
Only
saying,
got to go and her beard.
you were saying so it was like it was messed up so
Oh,
bad.
they called that. How did they do that? Yo, only got to go घरमा बिगाएर राख्दै छ भने लमा देखाए मजा आयो भन्छ अब त्यसलाई
Guys, Dad, what do you think of his hair? Oh my god, okay, we're gonna go. It's too over. He looks really good though.
so good.
Handsome boy. Guys, I was like, where's Minnie gone? I come in through a balcony and she's here.
Guys, don't look at my top boy, yeah. That's so ugly.
We're gonna look at your chapel if you're gonna say that.
Fashion fire, don't even look at them.
We're out on an excursion. We've got Auntie and Minnie and Om.
And Mr. Both Shoulders.
We're having a barbecue party tonight. I don't know if you can hear me, but we're having a barbecue party tonight. So
We have to go and get
some beets and
the
boats.
actual barbecue stand.
No, Babu. They bought
They bought one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We need to hurry up because we need to get the seasonings.
Oh yeah.
And Minnie wants to get fairy lights, decorate the place a bit, make it really fun.
But I thought we were doing it on the rooftop, but we're no longer doing it then, so
So you don't want to get
I haven't
We're
looked.
just going to get bits and bobs. So on the way to Batini, which is a new road in Pokhara. It's been so hectic. We've done our shopping. Oh, why don't you get Ludo?
Oh damn, regarding.
We could
Oh
not.
my god, no! Because this is so crusty, dusty, busty.
We couldn't vlog and there was too hectic because we were on a time crunch. We're the ones in charge of getting like the seasonings.
don't worry. So we literally grabbed like sauces that we think would be good. We didn't even find marinade sauce. We literally bought like just sauces. So hopefully it turns out okay.
Yeah, and then we found Ludo.
Oh yes.
And we also found Uno, so we're going to play with our family members. It's going to be a fun night. We're in decorations, but it was time crunch. We didn't find cute ones. They had a lot of like happy birthday, like bride ones.
They had like lettered balloons that we could, you know, potentially decorate.
They're about to actually got so much stuff now.
Yeah,
I think like I just get shocked every time.
I think think we thought.
Saturday भएर जाने सोटो हेर्नु सक्छ
Yeah, it's like that. Or like most of the shops are closed because on Saturdays it's like the rest day for everyone here. Bindi.
Handsome boy. What?
Here's our barbecue stand. This is the coal we're using. And everyone's prepping the food. And Om Sai just stole my shirt.
To prevent mosquito bites.
Guys, everyone's waiting for the chopper and now should I just can't do it. I was like, where's the chopper? How does it taste?
Really good.
You haven't got any meat on your plate.
No.
Look at everybody. Nana's finally getting the chopper out.
We're having the barbecue now. Mom and Dad are barbecuing. Our Maiju makes like alcohol, so me and Winnie are about to try proper Nepali alcohol. Are you intrigued?
Yeah.
Let's go. You try first.
It's mild.
Good morning. It is the morning day. Morning. It is the what day is it today? Good morning.
I think I've fallen for you.
हाम्रो उयोले त्यसो गर्छ मैले नचल त्यही गर्छु खाली
It's okay, Dino.
Today's Sunday.
Today's Sunday.
And the weird thing is,
जुरा बरु
Nepal,
मैला हुनु
everyone's work week is Sunday to Friday, so they only get one day off, which is Saturday. That's why everyone's closed today.
Hello, अहिले चाहिँ हामी आन्टीसँग हस्पिटलमा जाँदैछौँ. It's been a long time since aunties had like आजको outfit of the day कस्तो हुँदैछ सबैको? Mini? म पनि join Mini. Mine's an upgraded hobo look.
No, you look. This is an actual outfit. You're wearing an actual outfit. I don't even have a bag. I look like a dad. Do you know what I mean?
Literally a dad on
I've got a
holiday,
wobble.
but you've got bare money in that. Like, do you know what I mean?
Yeah. Thank you. I do have bad money. Nanu, look, on the other hand, has one up to me, and actually put on an actual outfit.
I'm sorry. That
When I said we're doing hobo.
this is my hobo.
No, you have a friggin' bag. All right.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I don't know. That's not what I wanted. That's why I saw you laughing.
Just saw that. So she
Mini photographers doing up. Oh no. Classic on the phone shop. Cheers. Good blend.
I'm a bit hanging, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm hanging a bit.
How many JDs did you have yesterday?
I can't lie.
You're not even a whiskey girl.
I know, it was very strong.
How many did you have?
It wasn't even JD, it was red label. It was like an old
It
man's
was
drink.
whiskey. But
Yeah.
you was doing up double shots as well. Auntie Lizzie, got the blue number. I was like, none. Got the hand of the
6 हैन 3
Oh my god, guys. The buffalo just stopped.
Walk into the place, dispatch you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, the fire was on your face. And then from the 80s, someone keeps blocking my way.
Oh, Mom just made a smoothie. Oh my god. Look at the smoothie that she's made. Look at the size of it.
Cheers.
You want to try some?
My mom is eating the
Cool saag.
12 baskets bakery because she really likes the one in Chinatown. Here's a costa salami.
त्यो जाम अलि अन्डा बनायो 이거 미래잖아.
Chinatown just middle sign all.
다 미래죠. 감자.
Look on the inside. She likes this one as well as coconutty. So we can see her reaction in a minute. My dad's eating Nepali dal bhat. This is khore saag from there. Didi picked it up this morning. I wasn't gonna eat lunch, but I'm gonna now because the saag smells too good.
It's very delicious. There you go, guys. Thank you.
Cheers.
What's up?
This is my meal. You have the coconut bun, Mom.
भ्याइसक्यो त्यो मिठो रहेछ
Give me the result.
म त त्यो खाने हो त्यो अर्को त गनाको खास चाल
About to have these cheese balls. I don't actually like them that much, but I'm feeling really peckish right now. Something savory, so these are the only snacks at home. This kurkure, but I'm not feeling biro, especially after eating it. So I'm gonna eat these. I am heading to Lakeside right now to get my nails done. Since that's so, Minnie's not feeling that great and me and Om Sai are not feeling too good too, but luckily Minnie is definitely feeling better and Om Sai and me have been been ill, so I thought I would try and feel better, pick myself up and get my nails done. I got these done ages ago back in London. These really need to be refreshed, so I'm gonna go get Joan's nails done again. Don't know what I'm gonna get done. I think I want either orange, blue or yellow. Okay, that's too much. I don't know what I want, but hopefully I'll decide when I get there. I'm in a taxi on my own right now. It's the first time traveling on my own, going somewhere on my own. My whole family was so worried. They were like, are you really gonna go on your own, take someone? But I think, fingers crossed, I'll be okay. We'll see.
My last name fits you better. When I'm with you, there's no pressure. I miss your worn out sweaters. Weather couldn't compromise our love. I spent too much time on us, and I think you got me stuck on loving. You can't function. I gotta tell you all my secrets.
I finished doing my nails and Mom and Dad wouldn't trust me to get the taxi back, so your cousin Ashley decided to put in a while, so I was waiting for him to come get me and now we're going home.